Alright, the second concept we want to review is that of intercepts, where a graph crosses the x and y axis. I have a line here, and it has an x-intercept of 3, which means that it crosses the x-axis at the point 3, 0, and a y-intercept of 2, which means it crosses the y-axis at 0, 2. And the main thing you need to remember about intercepts is that when I'm asking about the x-intercept, that automatically means that the y-coordinate is going to be 0 at that point. And when I'm asking about the y-intercept, the x-coordinate at that point is always going to be 0. And using intercepts is a nice, convenient, and quick way to graph a line. Let's just apply that to this example right here. First of all, how do I know that this relation is a line? Well, I know that because it's a first degree. The highest degree in any of the terms is 1. And therefore I know the graph is going to be a line, and to graph a line, the minimum number of points I need is 2, because 2 points will automatically determine a line. So the easiest 2 points to find are often the x-intercept and the y-intercept. And the x-intercept, remember, means that the y-coordinate is 0. So if I substitute 0 in for y, I get 2x is 8, which means that x is 4. So this is my x-intercept. For my y-intercept, this occurs when the x-coordinate is 0. So put 0 back into my original equation. 4y is equal to 8, so y, the y-intercept is 2. And I can then do a quick sketch of my graph. If I know that it crosses the x-axis at 4 and the y-axis at 2, I very quickly have a sketch of my graph. Here's one more example. Again, this is a line because it's first degree. So we're going to calculate its x-intercept and its y-intercept. The x-intercept means y is 0, so plugging 0 in for y. And now I need to solve this equation, and I can do that by multiplying both sides by 3 to clear the fractions. So 3 times 0 is 0. Distributing here would be 2x plus 12. So negative 12 is 2x, so the x-intercept, after I divide by 2, is negative 6. Now I go over to the y-intercept. The y-intercept means that the x-coordinate is 0, so plugging 0 in for x, 2/3 times 0 plus 4, 2/3 times 0 is 0, so the y-intercept is 4. And so this gives me information about 2 points on the graph. The x-intercept is negative 6. The y-intercept is 4. I know it's a line, so 2 points determine a line, and I have my sketch.